Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. We just got a quick little unbagging, unboxing, get into it knife. Something sent to me from Vostede Outdoors up in Ohio via Vostede. So first thing, I just want to thank all the channel members. Thank you, and thank all of you, any of you who just find your way in here or come in here to watch my knife and EDC content. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. If you haven't had a chance and you're so inclined and really want to help me out, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll help me out and it'll also help you out by keeping you updated on when I release new knife and EDC content. So I'm just going to rip into this, and this was sent to me for review from Vostede. So and it's the Vostede Mini Labrador, and I have never experienced a Labrador from Vostede. I've bought plenty of Vostede knives, and I've had them be kind enough to send me several to check out. The Corgi, the Dachshund, the Corsair. I bought the Nightshade, the Mini Nightshade. Trying to think what else. I know I've had more. Oh, raccoons. I bought the Cleaver raccoon, and I also picked up the original raccoon thanks to Lefty EDC. Sent it down for me to check out, and those have been gifted out to you kids. Let me try to get this open without ripping the let's get into it. Try to keep the box intact for whoever it finds a home with. So, Vostede does a great job with their packaging. And in my opinion, you get, I'll keep all this in here, but you get a warranty card which gets you all that information. If you have issues with your knife and you need to contact support, they've got that right there. 30-day full money back, guarantee. Gives you where to get your direct support, how to maintain it, how to return it should you need to. And then I love the little pouches they come with. You get this little Ranger Eye, little Vostede Ranger Eye, which you can put on your pouch wall or wherever you keep your pouches. And let's look at this Mini Labrador, because again, I've not ever looked at a Labrador. So guys, I can tell you this is a little guy. And it is a very elegant little guy. Alright, so we've got, let me look at this box again. Wipe it off because it is oily. I don't know if that's aluminum or if that's going to be steel, but it's a frame lock, 14C28N. I'm really digging it. Blackstone titanium. So it's a little titanium handle. Sweet. Guys, it's a little mini knife. It's a little fifth pocket. I was not expecting it. I thought it was going to be G10. Vostede's up in their game, guys. The last knife I experienced from them was the Dachshund. And I think you guys saw that when I did not only my Dachshund review, but when I did my top bar lock review. That knife has actual detent. Now, first thing I will say, it's flipper only, which used to be something that was very not my jam. However, you guys know, if you've been following the channel, I've been picking up several, from the Kaiser Mercury to the Mr. Cypher, Mr. Zero. A good flipper knife feels very, very good. And I can tell you, this little guy, which is a frame lock, I've got my finger against the frame, and now I've got my finger against the clip. The detent is great. I'm not feeling that I'm trapping it, so you've got this nice little flipper, just a basic flipper with 3-4 jimps there. Go right to the edge, so I can either push button it or light switch it. I've got very nice access to that lock bar right there. Drop shut. Let's see how this 14C 28N blade cuts. I do not know what the price point of this guy is, but I will find out. I will actually link it to Vosteed's site. Guys, sorry, this is a therapeutic slicer. Yeah, I will show this guy off tonight, and you guys will probably be seeing this after I've shown it off. But guys, what a cool little surprise. I knew this was coming. I knew I was going to get to check out a little Labrador. I did not, however, know it was titanium and 14C. I will get you guys a link when I put the video up, so you can go to Vosteed's site and see how much this guy's going for. It is a small little guy. I happen to have my Mini Arius in my pocket. And I've also got the Baby Banter right here beside me. So there you guys go. Just from a quick size comparison, before we do the full overview review, you'll see that it kind of splits the difference between the Mini Arius and just a little bit larger than the Civivi Baby Banter, but it really does have a great, I picture this kind of as a great small office knife or urban carry where you need just a small locking knife. Maybe you carry a traditional knife half the time. This would be a great way to start getting into modern traditionals. This reminds me, except it seems like it's been done a lot better because again they've had time to evolve it. It reminds me just of a very simplistic little package, thin blade, minimalistic jimping, minimalistic markings. You just got the 14C and Vosteed there on the blade. This is the blacked out with the black titanium handle. And I'm just a big fan, guys. Kind of blows me away to actually handle it and see how little and how still functional it is. That looks like, let's see what we got here for hardware. I bet it's T8. T8 and T6 on our clip. Guys, just an unboxing, not a review. I will bring you a full overview on this, but this is the Vosteed Mini Labrador, model A3002, 14C28N, black stonewash blade, black titanium handle. I will get you guys a link to Vosteed's site. And thank you, Vosteed, for sending it out for me to check out. And thank you, Joe Isabella, for sending me the B-Up jank. Love it. Love you guys. Appreciate each and every one of you. If you would, please look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.